My name is Hassan Raja.
My name is Shekali.
My name is Madhusri.
My name is Hitesh.
We are studying in third standard Pearl Valley English High School. States and capitals of our India: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Tamil, Assam, Jaipur, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Hyderabad, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gantok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttaranchal, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata. Continents: there are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. Oceans: there are 5 oceans: Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Solar system: in solar system there are the planets Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn,